Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told the line chart given shows the amount of Greg's monthly heating bill from January to June. We're told the amount of his bill in April was what fraction of the bill in February. So what we have to do is we have to take the amount in April and divide it by February to get this fraction. So what is the amount in April? Well, April is marked right here, so we find the point right here that corresponds with April, and we have to find the y value of that point to get the bill amount in April, which is right here. Halfway between 40 and 20 is 30. This is divided by February. February is right here, so again we go up until we find the point with the same x value, and then we find the y value of that point. Halfway between 80 and 60 is 70. So the fraction is 30 divided by 70, but we can simplify it. Divide the top and the bottom by 10. 30 divided by 10 is 3. 7 divided by 10 is 7. So your final answer, the fraction of the bill in February, that is April, is 3/7. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.